Use it before you go to bed and experience turnaround in everything you do. This is highly effective. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. My name is Pamela. So in this channel, I share messages, I share spiritual tips like this, using natural ingredients like the one I'll be telling you right now. Using natural ingredients to show you how to make use of them in a spiritual way. You doing it rightly, follow the instructions. With your faith, you will see things working perfectly, just like a magic. If you love spiritual tips, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So like the title says, do this before you go to bed. You will excel in everything you put your hand. Anything you are looking for, you will succeed. That is if you believe. If you apply faith and inviting the presence of God, you will see things working perfectly, just like a magic. So just continue watching because this will help you greatly. And I always make sure I make my videos very brief. So you have to use sugar. Okay, use sugar to bless anything you put your hand. I will tell you how to make use of it right now so that things will manifest for good. Sugar is highly spiritual, just like it's very sweet. In a spiritual realm, it's full of sweetness. It can change things around, turn things around for you. Anything that is difficult, if your life is full of bitterness, it can make things to turn around for good. Use sugar to pray for your life to turn around. Okay, anything you desire, it will turn around for good. If you are not happy with the way your life is going, or the way things around you is going, or the way your loved ones are turning to, you are not happy about that, you can use sugar to turn things around for your own advantage. Like this will help greatly. Sugar is full of positivity. It attracts good things to one. Anything you use it to manifest, to manifest anything related to sweetness, it will come to pass. If you're always feeling so bitter, okay, you're always hungry all the time, or people around you don't show you love. You are supposed to be shown love, but you're not getting it. You show people love, but they are not showing you love in return. Do this and everything will turn around for good. Spiritual tips I share on this channel are not magic. It depends on you, your individual. It depends on individual. You have to invite the presence of God, and your spirit need to go along as well. Inviting the presence of God and also with your faith, it must work. Some spiritual things like this, okay, they are most times unbelievable. Many people, they doubt it a lot because they will just feel like, how can this make this to happen? How can sugar bring sweetness in a spiritually? But you have to know that this will bring sweetness. Just the way it tastes very sweet, it can bring sweetness, change everything for good in your life. Of course, it cannot go without prayer. It goes with prayer. Okay, like I said, faith and prayer. You must seek the presence of God for it to work. So you have to use it to pray. Ask for anything good and it will come to pass. As you use it to pray, all sadness must turn to joy. Any sadness you are passing through, any kind of negative feelings, okay, it will turn to positive. You see yourself achieving great things, great and mighty things. Everything will be turning very well for you. You will excel. So at the end of this prayer, you will get drastic change. Okay, everything will be working perfectly. So get 1 or 2 sugar or more, depending the quantity, any quantity you have. Cube sugar or not, it can be a cube sugar, it can be a granulated sugar. So this is white sugar. For spiritual purpose, you have to make use of the white type. I prefer the white type. It's not as if the other one will not work, the brown sugar and the other colors. It will work, but anything white is more powerful. So what you have to do, you have to tell God to forgive your iniquities, that you are a sinner, that God should have mercy upon you and cleanse away all your iniquities, and that you promise not to go back to your former ways again, that He should forgive you. When you are done asking for forgiveness, the next thing you have to do, place 1 or 2 sugar on your palm. Then you start speaking positivity into it. Be praying, asking for good things, anything you desire. Speak good things into your life. Okay, you can personalize it if you are using it for yourself. If you want to amongst members of the family, speak good thing upon each and every one of them. After praying and asking for whatever thing you desire, then you have to place it in your mouth. If you are the one that is using it, place it in your mouth. Continue praying, speaking good thing as it's melting, As it's melting, continue speaking positivity into your life, that you want this good thing, that you desire this. Make sure you swallow it after this, okay? But for those people that don't eat sugar, maybe for health reasons, add it into your bath water, use it to have your bath. It's also the same. So you taking it in, like licking it, will help greatly to attract sweetness in your life. Anything you desire, you will receive favor. Remember to follow these steps, and by the grace of God, all good things will fall into place in your life. As you are licking it, as you are using it to have your bath, if you want to use it to have your bath, be praying, speaking good things into your life with faith. Praying with faith, it must surely come to pass. So go on and try this, okay? Sugar can turn things around for you. If you invite the presence of God with your faith and prayers, you see everything working perfectly all the time. So do this before you go to bed every night or every other night for things to turn perfectly for good in your life. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Share this video to everyone. Remain blessed as always. I'll see you in my next video.